Presentation personal. My name is Yurani Bejarano Avila. I'm from Miranda, Cauca. I live in the city of Cali. I am 34 years. I study in business administration. My favorite is food pasta. Celebration. The name of my celebration is the book 5 because it helps us generate and encourage writers for our society. It is a fair that takes place with authors of books to encourage reading. It takes place on the boulevard of the river, taking place in the month of October. It is very good for our people from children to adults. Finish. Thank you.